Hi guys, welcome to this really short video. I'm going to teach you how to use a calculator using the sine, cos, and tan button. So for this, just press sine. It brings out a bracket. Whatever you want to do, 8 divided by 9. Close the bracket. Enter. And then for the inverse of sine, just press second sine. What you want to put in. For the cos, basically same thing. Inverse of cos, tan, inverse of tan, this is in radians. To change it from radians, just press mode, go down, degree, enter, head back to. So let's do, because it will give you a completely different answer in radians and in degrees. And there's also grad. This one doesn't have grad, but it's also on grad, so you have to make sure that it's on whatever you want it to be on. And that's basically how to use a calculator. Bye guys.